Hello. It is 11:24 a.m. on April the 27th of 2021, and you are seeing what I'm seeing. Scientists alarmed by lab-grown human-animal hybrids. Let's go right here. No, scientists, we will grow babies in artificial wombs in a decade. Come on now, you all. Hello, wherever you are in any part of the world. Hello from my heart to yours. Hello, Apple Brooks. Now, this may not be what people want to hear. And you know what? They don't need my permission to do their research. They don't need your permission to do their research. They don't need anybody's permission to do this research and to bring it into fruition. When you see articles like this, rest assured they've already grown artificial babies in artificial wombs. No, look, no, I believe that the clinical trials have been done. Look at this, you all. This is, it's like, oh my gosh, it's like so in your face. If that is not right, dead smack in your face, you are face to face with reality, what they're doing. Okay, you are. Hello, everyone. Look at this. Look at this. They're alarmed by lab-grown human-animal hybrids. This was recommended me to Facebook. Okay, on Facebook it said, suggested reading for you. So I clicked into it. It did get my attention. I will say that. Yeah. Look at this. It was yesterday. So a remarkable step has been taken scientifically that raises the urgent issue of public concern. It's very urgent. Now, you know that the Anunnaki and the reptilians and all of those people, those beings, you know, they made human genetics. They did all that. They did all those experiments themselves. They did. Yeah, hello. So look at this, you all. Earlier this month, scientists announced that they'd successfully created a part human, part monkey hybrid by injecting human stem cells into 6-day-old macaque, I can't even say the word, embryos. Now listen, if they can inject human stem cells into something, they can inject other things into some people's, humans. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say. So the experiment was shockingly successful compared to past attempts to create hybrids, also called chimeras. According to the study, which was published by the journal Cell, let me just say this right now. This is for informational purposes only. This is for educational purposes. We are raising awareness because they said this is an urgent issue of public concern. So we are doing our part by bringing this news out. Oh, look at that. Engineering, they want to engineer chimeras. They could allow for new medical developments like growing human organs. Now, I'm told no, I am totally, you all, did you just see that? For growing human organs that are viable for transplant in other species. You all, my gosh, this sounds very inhumane. Oh my God. That, no, that's like organ harvesting, okay? The only thing they're not using humans. Now they've created a human hybrid to do that. What about their life? Do they matter? Does their life matter? Okay, does it? This is a moral issue. This is an ethical issue. Do they not have rights? Are they just merely going to be used? That's wrong, you all. That is wrong. So, but they told us this is urgent issues of public concern. So we are raising the awareness. So that's no. Look, lots of breakthroughs in this experiment. A remarkable step has been taken scientifically that raises the urgent issue of public concern. We need to figure out what the right pathway forward is to help guide responsible progress. No, just stop it right there. You don't need to go in that direction. See, that's what it is, But they've already have. Look at this. In fairness, the scientists behind the chimeras aren't actually creating new organisms. No, because they've already been done. The embryos only survive for 19 days, and the team has no plan to breed living creatures, you all. They have no plans to breed living creatures. Okay, you remember seeing images of things washing up on the beach, half human, half fish, mermaids, all of that kind of stuff. They got these top secret labs where they've done this at. And who gave them that technology? The bad aliens. The bad extraterrestrials gave them that technology to do that gene splicing, the DNA recode, all of that, all of that. This is way beyond you all. This is what leads to theoretical. Look, scientists cannot control what kind of cells the human stem cells will develop into. For instance, so for the time being, they can't actually farm. Oh, whoa. Oh my, that rubs me the wrong way, you all. They can't actually farm and harvest organs. That rubs me the wrong way. That makes me a little upset. Okay, 1984, Animal Farm. This is what leads to theoretical concern. There is a chance that in an uncontrolled way, it might lead to mixing of human cells that result in human cells developing in the brain or the heart or the head across the toe or the body. No, 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 no. Oh my goodness, you all. Yes, yes, yes. So let's look at this. So this is what they say. That's exactly, no, yes. Do I like reading about this? No, but we don't got a choice because it's literally in our face. Right in our face, you all. Scientists will grow babies in artificial wombs in a decade. I think they've already done it, you all. I think they've done it. Let's just think about this. So you can donate your sperm, you can donate your eggs, and they can create a baby, and they can come on now. You donate your sperm, you donate your eggs, they create the baby and insert it in you, okay? You become a surrogate, all right? They're already doing it, okay? They're already doing it. Who are they trying to? No. Come on now. So we'll grow babies in a decade. Clinical trials could begin. They want the perfect human. The perfect human. They've already, I am sure, who else wanted the perfect race? You know who that was? Wanted the perfect race. And I think that entity who wanted the perfect race was backed by these bad aliens. These sinister, evil brood of aliens. Yeah, come on now. Let's look at this. Outsourcing. In coming years, scientists plan to grow human embryos in a lab using high-tech artificial wombs. Well, honey, they don't need you and they don't need me. They don't need us. Okay, what's that sound like? I know what that sounds like. Genetically engineered humans. We got genetically engineered, genetically modified humans. We got genetically modified foods. Okay, they can help accelerate the DNA upgrade. Somebody said they can help accelerate the DNA upgrades too. Now let's get on to this. So doctors at the hospital will begin testing artificial wombs on human embryos. No, you're not sticking. No, don't donate your sperm and don't donate your egg. You don't know what it's going to be paired with. Okay, they can be taking your. That's the thing. They take your human sperm, they take your human eggs, and they're doing their experiments with them. That's what's happening also. See, you might get paid to donate it. You might. but they're going to use your sperm and your eggs. You willingly, at a price, you willingly gave it to them. So that's what happened. And probably the plasma that you get, you willingly give it because they give you, they will pay you a pretty price. You'll give it to them. You'll give them your blood too. Sometimes you can give your blood for free, but your plasma, they'll pay you. And your sperm and your eggs, well, they will pay you to do that. Okay, the 10-year plan. And I hope this is all right, you all, because this is like, no. Artificial wounds within the next 2 years, according to the Metro. If they're successful, let's see. They are successful, and this research has radically changed the way that we view pregnancy, childbirth, and human evolution. Okay, what else do you need to know? What else do you need to know? Okay, I'm not even going to say in the future tense. No, I'm not. I'm going to say they are successful. I'm going to speak in the present tense. They are successful, and the research has radically, I'm going to say past tense too, has radically changed the way we view pregnancy, childbirth, and perhaps human evolution. Well, you know, you can be made sterile. There's a reason you're going to get sterile. Okay, they don't need your babies no more. They don't need your sperm. They got enough of it. Okay, they can splice all that stuff. They literally can make the perfect human. You know, there was a movie, Aeon Flux, Aeon Flux, where they did that. They did that. The people couldn't have babies. You know what they did? They did it themselves. Okay, you wanted a baby, you tell them, they give you a baby. Okay, that's how it happens. That's how it happens, you all. In those clinical trials, I'm going to speak in the present tense. The clinical trials have went very well, and they are fully functional. There are fully functional artificial wombs that are already ready, but they will be widespread in 10 years. Even though 10 years is a long way off, we didn't wait. We have already created artificial wombs that are safe and effective, and they do prevent many of the medical complications that arise during your pregnancies and your childbirth, and they won't even compromise your health or your baby's health or the capacity to bond with one another, because they have done that for you, you all. They've done it for you. Okay, so they got the fetus. If the fetus were in an artificial womb, it will become possible to access it. No. And control the environment without restricting a woman's autonomy. Well, what do you think about that? Yes. There you go. Welcome to your world. Welcome to the world, our new world. We are old humans. Okay, we're old humans. We got 3 generations, okay, that need to go out the door. Okay, we do. 3 generations need to go boom. And I'm not, this is informational. This is just my little personal opinion on it, but this is packed full of information. I highly, highly, highly encourage you to go. You go to this and you read it yourself. Just go to futurism.com and babies and artificial wombs. Boom. That's what they did in the Aeon Flux. Yes, they did, you all. They did it. Oh my gosh. Is it pleasant? No, it's not pleasant. Did we like it? No, we don't like it. Look. So, we got animal hybrids, we know. There's a race of extraterrestrials that did that. We know that. They're still here. They never died out, you all. They live forever. These extraterrestrials that do that, you can call them the fallen. You can call them the fallen angels that fell, okay, when they were cast out of heaven. 1/3 of them were cast out and they went to earth, okay. They are here on the earth, and they've already made it possible to do that. They're not still up there in the sky. No, they're not. They're on the earth. They're interdimensional, okay? Don't say anything you see in the sky or demons. They're on the earth. They're in the earth. This is what they're doing. And you are in the way, and I am in the way of their future research, okay? They don't got room in the world for me, and they don't got room in the world for you. This may sound a little harsh, but I'm telling you how it is, how I'm sensing it. We are in the way. We are the older generation. I am going to be 55. My mother, she's going to be, what, 77? And then I have children who are in their 30s. Well, they might be in the way too. Okay. We've got to get rid of the old humans. Okay. More or less, because really we're flawed. Okay. In order for the perfect species, the genetically modified humans to be created, we're going to have to go bye-bye. We are, you are. And I don't like to say that. I really don't. And this is not no fear and gloom and doom. This is reality. Okay, it's reality. And am I happy about it? No, I'm not happy about it. I'm not happy at all about it. You think I like to read articles like that? I don't want to read articles like that. Because you know what? I've been trying to tune it out. I've been trying to tune it out. And if you're watching this, you've been trying to tune it out too. Because you know you've been sensing things. You know what the future holds. If you're any bit intuitive, any bit spiritual, and if you're not, you need to take those blinders off your eyes. If you are in denial, take the blinders off your eyes, because this is not a game. This is real world. Okay? And just like this person who went to the doctor, well, if you don't get the vaccine, you're part of the problem, not part of the solution. You know what? When they say you're part of the problem, that means you're the reason. You're not going to help us have a good solution to this population overgrowth. Okay. Yeah. And you know, I think I did an article too. I did a video about how they will be able to there will be no more any type of coronaviruses, flu-like anything. They'll get it completely wiped out with their technology. Yeah. So, yeah. We are, yes. This makes me upset in my spirit. It really makes me upset. It probably makes you upset too. Go ahead and read it. It'll make you upset enough to become aware, okay? And I hope they're not pixelating me, but if they are, that's fine, as long as my voice is coming through. Yeah. If you're seeing your responses disappearing, know that they have a Google moderator team, and know that Google has algorithms. That's what I've got to say. But you know what? They wanted to. I have done. Okay. Nothing happens by chance. No. It's divine synchronicity. They wanted me to see this article. They suggested this to me on Facebook. As soon as I got on there after being outside, I walked there, said, something you might be interested in. So they wanted me to speak on this right here, right now. I would not have seen that. They wanted me to speak on this because this raises urgent issues of public concern. And they are so right. Now, I will say this. Not everybody in the scientific field, in the medical field is for this, okay? They're raising concerns too. They're not for this because they have ethics that they abide by. Not everybody is for this. They're not all on the bandwagon, okay? They're not. Okay, they're not happy either. All these doctors and scientists, they're not happy. But they know that this is still going to continue because you don't have to be happy for the research to continue. You don't. You don't have to be happy for the future that's coming because it's going to come. All right? Yeah. So I'm going to get off of here. Yeah, I'm going to get off of here, you all. And I'm sorry if that vibration went down a tad bit. Okay, it's aware. I'll tell you what I will do. After I have done this video, I might do one on my Facebook. No, I'm not. I'm going to share this to my Facebook. Then I'm going to put it behind me in the recesses of my mind, and I'm not going to let it run my day. I'm not. Why? Because I can compartmentalize. I can become aware enough to where it's not going to put me in a bad mood. It's not going to ruin my day. And I'll still be able to focus on UFOs and whatever else I want to share or what I'm supposed to share. And I can do it with a happiness in my heart. Okay? You can do it with a happiness in your heart too. You can. Don't let this get you down. Okay? You have an initial reaction. Boom. Okay? You are aware. Let it go. Let it go, because there's nothing you can do about it. Nothing. You cannot do anything about it. You keep living your life, enjoying your life. Enjoy your life that you have. Enjoy your day. Okay? While we can. That's the best thing that we can do. Enjoy life. There's nothing that we can do about this. You all know that there are powers way beyond ours. Okay? There are. But we're in this together. And we're going to make it through. No matter even if we die in the process, we're going to make it through to the other side, because we know that there is a realm beyond this realm where our spirits are still alive. Okay, they never die. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Share this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Because it's educational and it's informative, and they want to raise urgent issues of public concern. Absolutely. Thank you to all the moderators. Love you.